Let me tell you that Guru Purnima is somewhere have a direct connection with Lord Buddha, Bhagwan Buddha, and one of the greatest guru that we have ever had Indian in Indian subcontinent was Lord Buddha, and he was so much famous. And anyway, I don't want to just discuss about the Buddha, and but one more thing I would like to just tell you about the Buddha that Buddhism that the major part of the teaching at the Nalanda University, other than the metallurgy classes and other stuff and all, that was the Buddhism philosophy. And it was known to all over the world. And it was first of its kind, first residential university. Other than that, you may have a Takshila. And very contemporaneous, you may have a university at Damascus, at Arab part. Those were also very highly intellectual people. And at the time, when it was in full, this Pure Rang mein thi jab Nalanda University, so it was having at around 10,000 students from all over the world. Students from the Turkey, students from the Korea, North Korea, China, Japan, Greece, and parts of the Africa too, let me tell you, and Mongolia. And that time, that university had at least around 2,500 teachers, acharya, professors. And let me tell you, it was not simple examination. It was a very, if you would like to have get admission in Nalanda, then you have to just prepare a particular kind of exam in which numerous steps of the interviews you guys have to face. But anyway, I don't want to just discuss about great thing about the Nalanda. I would like to just tell you something about my great teacher. And we used to call him Tripathi sir. And he was a very great guy. He is no more right now. He was a tall and handsome guy. But I would like to just tell you about the Tripathi sir, because he inspired me a lot. And every day, whenever I used to just think about the teacher, the first teacher that I used to recall, that was the Tripathi sir. He was very strict. He was very hard. He was handsome. He was tall, having a talwar and mooche. And interesting thing about him, every time you just ask anything, twice, he just give you a very bully kind of a look. Don't ask me again like this. Try to just learn the thing by your own. It was very tough. What inspired me about him is one day he lost his daughter, but next day he was taking his class. So every time when I just recall about that incident about his life, it gives me a goosebumps. And he also told me a numerous story about the time that I do not would like to just tell you. It will take a lot of time. But anyway, but I am here to just take his legacy. I am here to just tell you about the Tripathi sir. And because of him, I was not a good student, but I was so much fortunate that I had a wonderful teacher. So that is because of the reason I am here. And thank you guys. Thanks a lot.